Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss, I'm going to demonstrate how I achieve this amazing dewy, moisturized, glowy skin. My skincare routine, my nighttime skincare routine that only take me less than 5 minutes, and I feel like these products are very easy to find and they work really well together. They don't break me out, they don't make my skin dry and patchy in the morning. It's still moisturized when I wake up in the morning the following day. And yeah, I think these products are really good and I want to show you guys because I know skincare is kind of tricky. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieve this amazing, not amazing, but moisturized, glowy skin, then keep on watching. Don't we all love the moments when we are feeling ourselves and then we think, oh, we look so good, and then we look into the viewfinder of the camera and we realize, oh my god, I feel like I'm in the haunted house. Okay. Let's get going, because don't worry, I will save you. I get your back. I got your back. If you have similar situation as me going on, which I doubt, because you know most people look better than this, and you want to fix it, or if you're just curious to see what the beep I'm doing around here, then let's start. Okay, first let's get our gorgeous, messy after shower hair out of the way with beautiful clip. Wow, wow, look at that. Love a receiving hairline. Anyway, first I'm going to use a toner, and you know I need to use up this Murad hydrating toner, and yeah, I need to get a new one, so I just want to use it up, but it's very easy. Just, you know, spray it. It's literally, this skincare routine is less than 5 minutes. If you find another skincare routine that is as effective as this, as transformative as this, as glowy as this, and it's shorter than this, let me know, because I need to know too. Anyway, toner, go. Did I tell you I just took a shower? Anyway, that's the toner. You see, so easy, no cotton pad required. Love me some fast skincare routine. Next up, you know, we need like an emulsion or an essence or a serum, but I'm not using serum these days because I feel like my moisturizer that I use is pretty heavy already, so I'm just using an emulsion, and this is Ordinary Granative Retinoid 2% emulsion. You know, retinoid is for anti-aging, and I feel like I need right now. I'm not getting any younger, my wrinkles are not getting any less obvious, so I need to take care of this situation. So I just go poop, poop, 2 drops on my huge forehead, 2 drops on my cheeks, 1 drop on my huge nose, and 1 really mess up dropped on my chin. And okay, whatever, F this, let's just use the viewfinder. And then sometimes I have some leftover on my hand, I do on my neck also, because trust me, our neck is exposed to the world and to the sunshine and all the other things too, so we need to take care of these babies. Next step, not final. Lancome Visionaire Nude Beauty Sleep Perfector. Yes, and this I'm almost running out of. You can see I'm scraping the F out of this stuff, but luckily I don't need a lot each time. A little bit goes a long way, so. And you will see it creates such an amazing moisturizing layer on the skin because it's a gel, but when you rub it together it turns into like an oil, so it is amazing. And keep in mind, I do have a more thorough skincare routine, but this is just a short one for days that I am so lazy, which is almost every day. Love that. And then my final step of my skincare is Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I'm living in the northwest, right? Yeah, so it's very dry over here. I need to keep an extra layer of moisture. Also running out of yay. Okay, so I missed this. Basically I only do like 3 times. I missed 3 times because I want to save it. My baby. I just ate some. Tastes like money. It's a lip balm. I'm using Jack Black lip balm. I like this a lot because it's just very small. You can bring it anywhere. It has SPF of 25. It's flavored and it's nothing spectacular, but it's pretty good. I use it at night too. It's my 5 minutes nighttime skincare routine that will I feel like keep me hydrated and moisturized. And with this skincare routine, with this specific product that I'm using, I find that the day after, when I wake up in the morning, I really feel like my skin is still moisturized and plumped, and you don't have to deal with like dry patches and peeling, all the nasty stuff. So I hope you find this video helpful and enjoy spending time with me. I hope you have a great day, and yeah, I'm gonna go, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.